We just introduced a new way to import data into your Appwrite database, and this is with CSV imports. So this means that you can now import large sets of data through a CSV file into your Appwrite database, and you don't have to write some custom script to make this happen. And it's super easy to do this, and it's going to be very convenient in many cases. So what I want to do here is jump right in and just show you how this works. So to get things started, I created a new project here with a database called dev and a collection called products. And inside of this collection, I don't have any data, but I did add 3 attributes here. So I have a name attribute, details, and price. Now, what I need to do here is create a CSV file, add some data into it, and then import it here. And I figured the easiest way to do this is just to create a Google Sheet. We'll add in some data, and then we'll just download this locally as a CSV file and import it into our Appwrite application. So the important thing here is to make sure that the top row here, all these columns correlate with these attributes. So this is the way Appwrite's going to know where to put this data. So we have name, details, and price, and here we have name, details, and price. I added some data here for the actual items. And what we can do here is just go ahead and go into download and download this as a CSV file. So I just did this. I already have this locally. Now, once we have this, we can go into our products collection and we can see this import CSV tab. So we can click on this, and what this does here is this actually goes into an Appwrite storage bucket, and that's where we need our CSV file. So first, let's go ahead and create this bucket. I'll go into storage. We'll create a new bucket, and I'm going to call this main. And once we have that bucket, I'll go ahead and create a file. We'll actually just drag in this CSV file. So I'll drag this in from my other screen. So once that's uploaded, we should have our new file here. And I can go back into my databases, go into products, click on import CSV, select this specific file with our products, and go ahead and import it. And just like that, you can now see all the data from our CSV file. So quick caveat here that I wanted to mention is if you have any required attributes here, you want to make sure that either their attribute is not required or you have data populated here. So if details is required and we happen to not have some data, this is not going to work. You're going to get an error. So that's all I wanted to show you today. It's very simple. This is how you use the new import CSV feature with Appwrite.